Okay, so I am filthy and disgusting. I just got off work, but I started opening up this bag because I was like, what the fuck, what is this? And because this is what it looks like. So I was like, and yeah, here we go. So, this bag here. The reason that it is so special. Let me do that so I don't get. So I'm gonna dox myself real quick. 1 of 5, you dig? This is 1 of 5. Okay. I believe this is my. I was just sick. Yeah, hell yeah. 1 of 5. 1 of 5. And this is what is 1 of 5. Sorry, opening that with one hand was not gonna happen. So, this is what we got right here. That is actually so sick. You got the sorry right here on the forehead. The teeth, so cool. And each of these, 5 of them were made completely different. Oh shit. Ooh, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, would you look at that? So in case you just want a nice warm hood, check that out, man. That is so sick. Shouts out to Sorry for making stuff like this. I don't know any other company. Well, I mean, like, there's very few companies. Like, honestly, the only 2 I can think of is Sorry and In Bloom. Those are the only 2 that are doing stuff like this. Who else is making stuff like this? This hand stitching, this is fire. Everything, the colors, just ridiculous, man. I have no idea if you can hear me because I'm probably super muffled because this shit's so warm. This is like I'm gonna go do something in the cold. I'm wearing this. But so that's what it looks like with it up. And then now that you can hear me, man, you just slide this down. Just, I mean, like, I like this. This is nice. Shouts out to Sorry. You cannot beat that. Shouts out to Sorry. 1 of 5.
First, bitches ain't shit, so I tell my main bitch, hit the track and don't come back until you get your brain fixed. Then I decided it's time to hit up all of my side bitches and tell them all the same thing, I hate you, die. It's time to find where the highest bridges, still with the valleys like G-Force. I got the talk about the flippy pager, bitch I'm major, chopping a pimpin' with the razor. When I was a little boy, my favorite comic book was Razor. Now I'm not a little boy anymore, so what's the fucking flavor? Took a day trip to Vancouver.